Tonight on the Roadhouse, I'm going to show you how to take a door lock switch out of a F250 or F350 and put one back in. This will also work for hundreds of Fords. Let's get this thing started. Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. They do media blasting, powder coating, big or small, they do it all. Tell them the Roadhouse sent you. Okay, on this here, you're going to need to get these old ones out if you have a different plug. You're going to have to fit this one into this one, which is not a big deal. You just have to be careful and don't break anything. So you take your knife or flat blade screwdriver and you stick it underneath this little area right here, and you press from the other side. You push it out. Now there is one on the other side that I had already previously pushed out, so you're going to have to kind of angle it back and forth. This one I haven't touched at all. There's one. There we go. That came out. There we go. It's in. Plug it back up. Before anything, I'm going to make sure the window actually works before I put all this back up. Yep. Window works. Done. Thank you for watching, like, and subscribing. As always, if you're right or hard, don't put her away wet. Too much work when you put it